still missing one player.
Alright. Yeah, we're still missing one guy.
There's one spectator.
Alright guys, ready up.
It's beautiful.
We will shotgun taunt as a whole, okay? At once, okay? Come near. How about here? Yeah. When where Bambot and me, I am staying, okay? Make a line. Make a singular line. We will taunt at once to start the war. All right, everybody. Hold the shotgun and 3, 2, 1, go. Harvest.
Charge! You can charge now.
Go! Okay, everyone to the right side! Right side! Right side! Not on the roof or anything. Go to the right side and go into the shed. Oh god, this is already hectic! Alright. Okay, we should make a big wave.
Wait, so that whole thing was going through and closing is failed.
Not use a minute. Okay, let's go to there. Right side. Gang. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Move in the hole. Let's move.
Get him!
A second. Don't let them get in. Oh god, they're in. Okay, I'm going in. Okay, we actually won! We actually got them won this round! We're gonna see. The high pass!
Come on, we need a hero. We need Famine.
Second match. Once again, the family business wins the match. Lakeside.
We need more heavies on the point.
This isn't good.
Go! Yes! Go! Come on! Push him off! Go! On the point, quick!
Okay, this is the final legit battle, man. This is legit the final battle.
Come on! Yes! No! Get him off the point!
Okay, are we going to win? Oh no, I'm in bad situation.
We can do this.
Alright, no. I should take their flank.
No, come on. Step on the
I
point.
shouldn't lose this 1v1 somehow. Like that.
Oh!
Like that, we concluded ourselves that best shotgun for shotgun heavy is a goddamn family business.
Maybe.
That's GG's. Whoo, man. Yeah, that was really close. For a bunch of idiots with 300 ping, that was really close. Well done, team. Yeah, we can blame the ping. We can totally blame the ping.
One more goddamn game. Here we go. Oh, the sawmill, guys! The sawmill. Oh god, how many people are in there? Oh shit! Oh god damn it!
Come on, push! Come.
I should go back in. Oh, this is not good.
Oh, you killed him.
minutes to win, so this shall be our win. If we don't do poorly.
Okay. No, not yet. Get him! Shoot their bodies! No! God damn it.
Oh!